So hey guys, it's Flip, and I've been out to Thorpe Marriott today to do some street style graffiti art, and I've done a nice little piece, I'd say, compared to some pieces, but it's my first, so I'm gonna give it all my all, as you all know. But this will be a bit of a do's and don'ts, because I've learnt some stuff while being out today, and yeah, I'm gonna say I'm gonna take this time right here to do some like and subscribing. So get to it, get some of that likes, subscribes, get that little bell, a little ding-a-ling-a-ling, and we can get to it. Give you a second or two. Right, so let's go make some art. Yes, let's go do some street art. See you in the next bit. Just there. It was now when I realised if I mark out where I want to colour instead of just trying to colour it all in one hit, it works a hell of a lot better. So at this point I realised that the paint I had got wasn't going to be good enough. But as an artist I thought, I'll still try, I'll still see what we can do. I'd already killed the purple and we were still at early days. So I decided to cover it up with some blue, which made quite a nice blend with the purple and blue sort of coming through. cannot stress enough how it would be much easier if you just go with what you're doing. Don't stress, don't worry about what it looks like at this point, just enjoy it. Really just enjoy what you're doing, it will come out so much better. When designing these pieces, I've learned that I need to keep them a bit more basic to how much detail I want to put in these, just for now, till I get full grips of using these different mediums. But if you're going to go out and do this as well, I suggest keep it basic to begin with, and you'll thrive from it. Just learn the basics and find a legal spot so you can just have that time to take and chill while you're learning it. So yeah, I think I did alright for my first ever attempt. I'm nowhere near Tom and Craig's level, but we'll get there. It's all learning. It's all good fun to try and learn and see what mediums work for us. And I'll definitely give it another go, but next time I'll get some better paint, because that stuff was shocking. But hey, we'll get there. Alright, see you back in the studio, I guess. Lates. So yeah, that was my GoatLife. I think it came out alright considering. But yeah, if you are going to go out and do these things, I definitely suggest going to legal spots that you near wherever you live, and get yourself some decent quality paint, because there's nothing worse than having the cheap stuff that every time I pulled a line on there, it was either running or it was just overpowered spray or nothing. It was so awkward to use. It was horrible, essentially. I'm not gonna lie, it was not a fun experience. Well, it was a fun experience to do the learning part of it all, to get out there and actually paint something, but to have that not go as well as you have in your mind, because you are the tools that you have are not going to where you need it to go. And the caps are standard caps. They are no good for what you want to be doing when you are out there spraying this art, doing this, using these as this medium in the spray art and the street art and stuff. There are so many different caps out there of thickness, of thinness, and the pressure and everything. That it all comes into play when you're doing this. So what you want to do is just spend the money. I know it sucks. I wanted to do a cheap way so I could make more of this and what have you, but I can't afford, like, that. I know it's expensive. They're not, well, depends where you go. You can find good deals online that I've personally recently bought some of, and you'll see that in another video coming up shortly. But so stay tuned to that. But anyway, back to what we were talking about. But it's so you definitely tongue-tied. So, yeah. Back to what I was saying was that you should definitely give it a go, and definitely spend a bit of money on it instead of just buying cheap, because it's not, you'll find yourself thinking, why is this not working for me? And it's probably not you, it's probably the cheap tools. So spend the money, get the quality stuff, and you'll thrive in it. You could even find your calling. You could be such a good artist, you never know, but you got to try. So that was my GoatLife piece. I've got a few in the making that you'll see shortly. I'm just working on editing, as you know, and I will see you guys in the next video, which is somewhere up on one of these screens shortly. But also, if you haven't already, do the subscribe button so I don't have to keep mentioning about this, and also get that little bell icon, make that just flash at you, because that's some craziness, and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of stuff. And yeah, thanks.